So here's a demo of the sock aid slider. So it will come in a nice fancy box. Here is the sock aids. Comes in 4 pieces. So these two, we have the 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 stick or the aid, and here we have the cradle and the base. So the stick will come in 2 pieces, as I said, and you'll see it has a little groove at the end, so that just slides into here, into the hole like this. And then the cradle, it has 4 holes here and 4 holes here. So I will slide this on now. So it will look like this. So here is also the little hook. So next you take the cradle onto your knee. So you use the stick and you use the little boil, and then you lift it up onto your knee. Take the stick away. Next you get your sock and place it in the cradle like that, and then you will fold the top of the sock over the edge of the cradle, so it will look like that. You will want to put the sock quite far down onto the cradle for ease when you're using it. Then you will use the hook, and then you will return it to the ground. Then next you will get your foot and just slide your sock, and ta-da, your sock is on. Then you will lift it, oops, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little bit difficult. And then yeah, you will just do it with the other one. So this little stick also has a added benefit in that it will also quite easily slide down, and you can remove your sock quite easily. So yeah, there you have it. There is the sock aid slider review.